This is an update on this is the last of the railings except for in front where the stairs are. Not sure what we're doing there yet. But in this case, the only thing I could use on the old one was the spindles. And even they were really bad on the bottoms, but a lot of TLC and some caulking. This is all new here. This is all new inside of here. Now I used some old tops. I had enough, which I'm really not sure. Well, I guess because I had made others that weren't long enough for other ones. So I had enough tops I could piece together and get one. And since this piece right here goes all the way through, I was able to nail into that. So it's structurally it's sound. Maybe on the other ones I had pieced this and then I had to run this full. So that's why I had to make new ones there. So it's looking really good. This is actually ready to prime. The holes are drilled for the screws later on. So really it's going to finish drying on the caulking. I just did a little bit more today. Maybe I could put a little bit right in that crease there. But either way, the primer will go in there. This is that corner one, the odd one. It hits the post over there, it comes over and hits here. So that wasn't long enough because I'm putting it on different. So I had to put these spacers in on both ends, so it does fit now. And this one, really, I need to do a little bit more caulking on. But otherwise, I mainly had to re-nail this, do the spacers. I mean, I had to nail it a lot. It was really loose. And otherwise, the bottom was good. And all the top was good with the moldings. So really, it wasn't too bad. And then now what I'm doing is making that bottom piece that the other one sits on. So you can kind of see how it's coming together here. This right here will be the top piece.